Hand expression and breastfeeding. Most women can express their breast milk by hand with a little time, learning, and practice. Hand expression is a convenient method as it is always available, can be done anytime, and comes at no cost. There are various reasons you might need to express your breast milk, such as your baby having difficulty latching, your breasts being too hard for your baby to latch onto, wanting to provide breast milk while away from your baby, or aiming to increase your milk supply. Before expressing your breast milk, it's crucial to wash your hands with soap and water. Additionally, you'll need a clean glass or a hard BPA-free plastic container or spoon to collect the expressed breast milk. Having your baby nearby during the process can facilitate a faster milk flow. In the initial stages, you might only get a few drops, but with time, this amount will increase. To hand express your breast milk effectively, place your thumb and first 2 fingers along the edge of the dark area of your breast. Press your thumb and 2 fingers straight back toward your chest. Gently compress or squeeze your breast using your thumb and fingers, and roll your fingers towards your nipple. Relax your fingers. Repeat these steps until the flow of breast milk slows down and your breast feels softer and empty. Then, switch to the other breast.